just sit there. I don't know if you can see. Hope so. Either I'll have to re-record. Doing my little review on cheap shotgun lights. This isn't even a shotgun light. This I got at Job Lots or Dollar Tree or one of them places. It's this fucking piece of shit. And it's attached by a Protec. You can see that. These hold pretty decent. If you take them on and off a few times, they will fall apart. This light works good. For now. I don't really beat on it too much, but it does what it's supposed to do. This is the Protec frickin' light. It's got a magnet on the back. It does not work. Took this gun out shooting the other day, fired some buckshot and slugs and whatnot. This light is toast. Sometimes if you jostle it'll come on. Nope, it's junk. So that Protec light, fucking junk. Not worth it. Yeah, that's my review. That light sucks ass. I guess that's why you have to spend actual money. Is it Protec or something? I can't see what's underneath. I think it's Protec or Nubis or something. It's got a flashlight and laser. It was like $10. Don't buy $10 shotgun lights. Or $10 lights for that matter. They all suck ass. So that's my review. I can't believe the Dollar Tree one outlasted the fucking one that was made for a shotgun, but yeah.